Barbering is more than just cutting hair. It's an ancient craft that has evolved alongside humanity itself. From the sacred practices of early civilizations to the bustling barbershops of today, this trade has shaped cultures, connected communities, and left a lasting impact on history. In this video, we'll dive deep into the history of barbering, exploring its origins, transformations, and significance throughout the ages. The art of barbering traces back to 3500 BCE in ancient Egypt, where barbers were not just hairdressers but spiritual figures. Egyptians believed hair removal was crucial for hygiene and spiritual protection, symbolizing purity and warding off evil spirits. Barbers served the pharaohs and priests, shaving their heads and even styling their wigs. Meanwhile, in Mesopotamia, beards were considered a sign of power and status. Men adorned their beards with oils and dyes and used intricate curling techniques. Across the Mediterranean, early barbering tools made of flint and bronze were used to shape these styles. Fast forward to 500 BCE, and barbering became a central part of daily life in ancient Greece and Rome. Barbershops, or tanstrini, were social hubs where men gathered to discuss politics, philosophy, and gossip. In Rome, short hairstyles were seen as a symbol of sophistication and civilization, distinguishing Romans from the barbaric long-haired tribes. In the Middle Ages, barbering took on a new dimension. Barbers expanded their roles to include medical practices such as bloodletting, tooth extractions, and minor surgeries. This dual role earned them the title of barber surgeons. The iconic barber pole we know today originates from this era. The red and white stripes symbolize blood and bandages, while the pole represents the staff patients held during bloodletting to make their veins more visible. By the 14th century, barber surgeons organized into guilds to regulate their practices. However, their dual roles began to diverge as medical knowledge advanced. In 1745, the separation of surgeons and barbers became official in England, leaving barbers to focus solely on grooming. The Renaissance was a period of elegance and innovation, and hairstyles reflected the era's opulence. Barbers became skilled in creating intricate styles, often incorporating powdered wigs for men and women of the aristocracy. This was also when the term barber gained its modern meaning, derived from the Latin word barba, meaning beard. Barbershops became increasingly specialized, focusing on shaving, styling, and wig maintenance. By the Industrial Revolution, barbering shifted to accommodate the growing middle class. Barbershops expanded, introducing straight razors and advanced tools. These shops became staples of urban life, offering grooming services that were affordable and accessible to the masses. The early 20th century marked the golden age of barbershops. These were not just places for haircuts, but centers of community and culture. Barbers specialized in classic styles like the pompadour, flat top, and side part, using tools like clippers and straight razors to perfect their craft. However, by the mid-century, the rise of home grooming products and electric razors led to a decline in barbershops. Men began cutting their own hair or visiting unisex salons, and the traditional barbershop culture faded. Despite this, barbershops remained vital in many communities, particularly among African American men. These spaces served as cultural hubs, fostering discussions about politics, culture, and identity. The barbershop became a symbol of resilience and tradition. Today, barbering is experiencing a modern renaissance. Social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok have elevated barbers to celebrity status. With their artistry on full display, barbers showcase intricate fades, designs, and grooming techniques to millions of followers. Modern barbershops blend tradition with innovation, offering premium experiences with unique decor, music, and even beverages. Barbering has evolved into a respected craft and a lifestyle, with global events and competitions celebrating the best in the business. From ancient rituals to modern art, barbering has stood the test of time as an essential part of human culture. It's more than just cutting hair. It's about identity, tradition, and connection. Whether you're stepping into a classic barbershop or a modern salon, you're experiencing a craft rooted in thousands of years of history. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating dives into history. See you next time.